One part of being an immigrant in the UK is the emotional roller coaster that comes with the change of immigration rules every Eke market day. Every day, the UK government is changing their rules. Since 2022, we've seen visa changes numerous times. And today, 22nd of July 2025, new immigration rules are coming to effect again. And here are all the changes that are going to come into effect today. I'm not an immigration lawyer. I am someone who's an immigrant who have lived experience of being an immigrant, and I've gone on to read the rules, understand it, and now I'm sharing it with you to help you understand it as well. So please, if you need serious immigration consultation, I encourage you to consult an immigration lawyer. So from July 22nd, here are all the immigration changes that are coming to effect in the UK. Number one, salary thresholds are increasing. So before you apply for a skilled worker visa in the UK, you must meet certain salary threshold. In April 2024, a new salary threshold was introduced, and the salary was increased from £26,600 a year to £38,700 a year. That was about 30-something% increase at that time. And now, today, 22nd July 2025, the government is introducing another changes, and the salary thresholds are increasing again from 38,700 to 41,700, and the new entrant will increase from 30,900 to 33,400. What this means is that if you want to apply for a skilled worker visa, you need to earn at least 41,700, except you are a new entrant, you are picking up a job that is related to your PhD, or you meet the shortage occupation, the temporary shortage occupation that have been introduced. So this is what this means. It means that if you do not meet any of these, for you to get a skilled worker visa, you need to get a job that pays you up to 41,700. The second thing that is changing also is that from today, 22nd July 2025, the UK government has banned overseas care worker recruitment. So it means that no employer in the UK can hire people from any other country to do care jobs anymore. They must recruit from the UK. They must look into the pool of applicants in the UK, people already in the UK, either on another skilled worker visa, not on a skilled worker visa, or already on health and care visa. So this is what it means. Also from today, before you apply inside the UK, you must have worked for that employer for up to 3 months. If you've not worked for that employer for 3 months, they are not going to approve your visa. This is what it means. Your visa is not going to be approved, even if they give you the certificate of sponsorship. So they have to show like an evidence, probably salary, to show that you have been with them for the last 3 months and you've been paid. So if you want to plan to get into health and care, or you want to use this as an exit, the way that so many people do, you have to plan ahead and put these 3 months into consideration. Also from today, temporary shortage lists have been introduced, and there are so many jobs on the temporary shortage list that you can take. And this temporary shortage list is going to allow you to earn a reduced salary if you get a job that falls onto that job code. And this temporary occupation list, temporary shortage list, is temporary. It is temporary, meaning it's going to end by 31st of December 2026. So you have from now to December to use this temporary list to your advantage. Some jobs on this list include IT support, technicians, care workers, welders, electrician. So you can check to see if your job code meets this temporary list so you can use it. Once you get a job on the temporary list, you can earn a reduced salary and get sponsored to get a skilled worker visa. Also from today, you need to go to the Home Office website to go and check if your job is still eligible for skilled worker visa, because many jobs were taken away, others were added to the temporary list. So you need to go and check the updated list to see if your job is still there. Another thing you should know is that from today, You can only bring your dependents if your job is on the updated job list. Yes, updated skilled worker visa list. So you need to go and check it. Or you can only bring your dependents if you already have a skilled worker visa before these new rules. And if you're already on the health and care visa, you already know there's restrictions on dependents since last year, since March last year. So you need to also know that if you want to bring your dependents, it has to be on the eligible list. You need to check if your job is on the eligible list. The UK government, in the new updated immigration rules, want to end the health and care visa. So they are giving up to 2028 for them to end on health and care. So if you want to apply for a skilled worker visa, apply you to cover like a 5-year span at least, so that it can cover everything from now to 2028, where the health and care visa will not be available anymore. So what should you do now if you're an immigrant and either you have gotten a skilled worker visa or you've not gotten? If you've gotten a skilled worker visa, yeah, very good. But if you want to switch from one employer to another, you need to also note the rules that apply to you. I encourage you to visit the Home Office website. It will be published from later today. You see that the Home Office would have updated their website. If you don't already have a skilled worker visa, here's my advice for you. It is not too late, yes. Don't panic. It is still possible that you can still get a skilled worker visa. So what should you do? You need to start applying for jobs that meet the new threshold, which is 41,700. Or you need to check if you meet new entrants. The new entrants allows you to earn lower. So check. For you to be qualified for new entrants, you need to be under 26. You need to be studying towards a professional course. You need to either your last visa have to be a student visa. So you need to check that applies to you, and you can use that to your advantage. If not, continue to apply, and trust me, don't sell your skills short. Don't think you can't earn more than 41,700. It is actually possible that you can earn more than that. You can earn up to that. So I encourage you, don't give up on your application. Keep applying, and I know that you are going to get it. So thank you. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section and I'll attend to them. Goodbye.